Hi friends, welcome to Rashmi Jadav's channel. In this session, we are here with qualitative research designs. Right? We will see the introduction of these designs. First, I request you to subscribe this channel so you can get my upcoming videos easily. So let's start. What is qualitative research designs? Right? Qualitative research designs, and this the researcher tries and understand and describe the events from the personal experiences of the people. Here researcher collects the data of the experiences of the people in different forms like written records, audio records, videotapes, etc. Right? See the definition of qualitative research design. Qualitative research is a research design or model, all of which include verbal, visual, tactile, olfactory and gustatory data in the form of descriptive narratives collected by field notes, recordings or other transcriptions from audio and videotapes and other written records, pictures or films. See the characteristics. Then these are flexible and elastic. It can be easily adjusted to the information which are being gathered at the time of data collection. Also, this type of studies requires intense involvement of the researcher throughout the study. Moreover, in this type of studies, researcher do data analysis throughout the study. So, here researcher can select multiple strategies of the data collection methods. Further, in this study, the important thing we will remember is there are three phases of the studies, which means qualitative research designs. The first phase is orientation and overview phase. In this, researcher makes the plan and gets the overview of his research study. Second phase is focused or exploration. In this, researcher will ask the questions based on the understanding developed from the first phase, right, and gather the informations from the people. The third phase is confirmation and closure phase. In this, researcher will make sure that the findings which he gathered are trustworthy or not. Then finally, he will analyze the data and closes the study. We can see different designs in qualitative research. First is phenomenological research, second ethnographic research, third grounded theory, fourth historical research, fifth action research and sixth case study. These are different designs we can use for qualitative research studies. Let's see the introduction of these designs. The first is phenomenological research. This is the study that attempts to understand people's perception, perspectives and understandings of a particular situation. In other words, it describes the experience of the people about some phenomena. Second is ethnography. It focuses mainly on the sociology. It also includes close field observation of socio-cultural phenomena. Typically, the ethnographers or the researcher mainly focuses on a community. Next one is grounded theory. It is used mainly to develop a theory. Theory is developed inductively from a corpus of data acquired by researcher. The next is historical research. It depends on the history or the past events. Systematic collection and objective evaluation of the data related to past occurrence in order to test hypotheses concerning causes, effects or trends of these events that may help to explain present events and anticipate future events. The next design we will see is action research. Action research is a form of applied research which helps people to improve their actions or practices with knowledge. It also tries to find practical solutions of existing problems in an organization. It also increases one's understanding on how and which type of one's action can achieve their work goal. The next design is case study. It attempts to focus on a phenomena by studying in depth a single case example of the phenomena. The case can be an individual person, an event, a group, or an institution. So here we end with the introduction of the qualitative research designs. Thank you. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and like this video.